Hello, this is Harman. I'm a registered nutritionist and this is TinyFoodFix, where we simplify nutrition so you can make healthier choices. In this video, I will show you how you can reach your daily fiber goal in a simple and practical way. Most people don't get enough fiber and it can affect your digestion, weight, and even blood sugar. In the UK, most adults do not get enough fiber. On average, we consume around 20 grams a day, which is well below the recommended amount. So, it is very important to understand how we can increase fiber. Why fiber matters. The UK recommendation is around 30 grams of fiber per day for adults. Fiber plays an important role in keeping your gut healthy and supporting digestion. It also helps feed beneficial gut bacteria, which supports overall health. And a high fiber intake has been linked to a reduced risk of conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some gut related conditions. Fiber can also help lower cholesterol. It supports blood sugar control and help you feel fuller for longer, which may support weight management. So if you are increasing your fiber intake, it is important to do this gradually. A sudden increase can cause bloating or discomfort. Also, make sure you are drinking enough fluids, around 1.5 to 2 liters per day. Now let's look at how you can build fiber across your day. For breakfast, you could start with something like bran flakes. Add strawberries and a small handful of unsalted nuts. This is a simple way to add around 10 grams of fiber to your day. For a snack, try whole grain crispbreads with an apple. That's another easy 5 grams of fiber. For lunch, something like beans on wholemeal toast works really well. Add a banana as a dessert, and you're getting around 14 grams of fiber. For dinner, a chickpea curry with brown rice plus vegetables like sweet potato and spinach can add another 10 to 12 grams of fiber. So, across the day, you can easily reach and even exceed your fiber target. A plant rich diet makes it really easier to increase fiber intake. And different plant foods contain different types of fiber, so variety is key here. Here are some simple ways to increase your fiber intake. Choose whole grain bread instead of white. Have a whole grain breakfast. Include fruit or vegetables with every meal. Add salad to meals where possible and include beans or lentils regularly. The key message is very simple. Reaching your fiber goal doesn't have to be complicated. As I mentioned earlier, the recommendation for adults is around 30 grams of fiber per day, and the meals I showed you for breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner add up to about 41 grams. So it really can be that easy. With a few smart choices, you can absolutely hit your daily fiber target. So it's all about making small, consistent changes across your meals. Start simple, build gradually, and focus on adding more plant based foods into your diet. And over time, these small changes can make a big difference to your overall health. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Tiny Food Fix for more simple, practical nutrition advice. I've got plenty more meal ideas to help you boost your fiber intake, so drop a comment if you would like me to make more videos with high fiber meal options.